Hello, Miss Vilma. How are you today?
I am fine, sir, madam.
Please tell me about yourself.
I am Vilma Santiago, 40 years old. I am married with 2 kids. My husband have a small business. I have 4 brothers and 7 sisters. My father was deceased and my mother is a housewife only. I'm a high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Singapore for 3 months since December 2005 until March 2006. My daily duties are to taking care of the children aged 13, 14, and 19.
Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of child care?
I have to prepare meals for them, send them to school, play with them, and read story books to them. And I love children very much.
Aside from taking care of child care, what are your other duties from your previous employers?
My other duties is to do all the household work, cooking dishes from them, and also the housekeeping like dishwashing, cleaning, laundry, sometimes gardening.
Do you know how to go to market?
Yes, ma'am, I know how to go to market
And do the marketing?
and do the marketing.
So, do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. The responsibilities of being a domestic helper is to do all the household work, be responsible, be honest, and also hardworking, and follow the rules and regulations. Sir, madam, thank you.
So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for the future of my children.
Do you have any last message for your
My
future
last
employer?
message of my employer, sir, madam, please give me a chance to work with you. I want to work with you because I want to help my parents, to support my family, to earn money, and I promise you that I will do my very best. And also, I'm willing to follow my rules and regulations, and I'm willing to finish my contract. Thank you, sir, madam.
Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, can you show your best smile?
Thank you, sir, madam.